Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a winter try on clothing haul, and I haven't done a clothing haul in so long, so I'm so excited to be filming one of these for you guys, and I'm also just really excited to be back. If you are new to my channel, my name is Chloe and I make videos every single Friday, and I would love for you guys to subscribe and be a part of this little family we got going on. So yes, without further ado, let's just get on with the video. I don't know if it's just me, but a lot of people sleep on Hollister, and it's fine. They can keep sleeping on Hollister because they have some cute stuff. I'm saying now, I'm sorry for the amount of times that I'm going to say cute. So the first thing I got from Hollister was this striped red long sleeve, and I don't know, I've just been really into just plain long sleeves, and it fits very like slim. You guys will see it in the try on, but it fits really nice, and it has like a high neckline, so I thought this would just look really cute with like a pair of jeans and some like Timberlands or something, and I'm out the door. So yes. So the next thing that I got from Hollister was this waffle boyfriend tee, they called it. Oh, I almost dropped it. It's green, white, and black, and it just fits really loosely, and I think that it would look really cute if I tucked it in with like a pair of boyfriend jeans, or even with a skirt. Like, this is just, it's adorable. So I got this, and I think this was only like $10, so, as well as the other shirt that I showed you. So I get those deals. So last but not least, from Hollister, I got this adorable cardigan, and I don't know why, I've just really been into the color red, as you can see. I got this knitted cardigan, and it has like 3 buttons in the front. You guys can't really see it from how I'm showing it, but you guys will see it in the try on. I got this in a size small, by the way, and it was only $10.99, so yeah. So those are all the things that I got from Hollister. Now we're just going to move on to Urban Outfitters. So in Urban Outfitters, they were having this really big extra 50% off sale, so I was so happy, and the first thing that I got was this like baby blue cardigan. It's not a cardigan, I'm sorry. And it just says $19.95 on it. I wish I was born like in 1995, because then that would just work, but I was born in 1998, but you know, it's fine. It was a cute sweatshirt, and I believe this was only like $15. So the next thing I got from Urban Outfitters were these jeans, and they're like corduroy mom jeans. They're like the mom high-rise, and it's from the BDG line, and these jeans were literally only $15, so I was so happy about this. Yeah, it's just adorable. I don't know what else to say. So last but not least, from Urban Outfitters, this was probably my favorite purchase of all of them, and it was this Poetic Justice like Tupac tee. I've been looking for this tee everywhere, and I really didn't want to spend, how much was it, like $30 for it. So I found this actually in the men's section, and I got this for only $7. So I was so happy. I was literally freaking out in the store because I was looking for the shirt all over the place. As you can see, I really love Tupac. I don't know if you can see Tupac back there, but I love Tupac. I'm just gonna add this to my nostalgia collection because I really love this shirt. I can pair this with like some biker shorts, or like some boyfriend jeans, or like tight fitted jeans. I'm also probably gonna wear this to sleep, so we'll see how that goes. We love a multi-use item. So the next store that I went to was Brandy Melville, and I actually only got one thing. I'm so proud of myself. Like, I usually go into Brandy Melville and I can't control myself. I actually only picked up one thing, and it was this blue, white, like navy blue turtleneck. And it's so cute because I really love the trend of people wearing short sleeves with turtlenecks. I don't know, I'll put pictures of the trend to show you guys, but yeah, this is adorable, and I think that I'm gonna wear this every day because, oh, who's texting me? Wow, my phone went off. I never get texts, so this is a lot for me. Okay, one moment please. Yeah, I'm really excited to wear this with like some high-waisted jeans, or even those corduroy jeans that I showed you. So the next store that I went to was Necessary Clothing, and I also only got one thing, and they were also having a great sale where everything was $2.99. Of course, you know, your girl had to pick up something. I got this white, just plain top, and I just liked it because of the back. It's kind of like crisscrossy. I think this top would be perfect if I just wore this with some leggings and like wore this to practice or something, so that's why I picked it up, and it was only $2.99, so That's what we do around here. We get those deals. So the next place that I went to was Ross, and I only got one thing, but this is adorable and I cannot wait to wear it because it's so warm. It is this fluffy tan like pullover, and it has like the cute little zipper, and it's just adorable. I just love like these little circle zippers. I feel like they're so trendy now and everybody's like putting it on everything, but I'm here for it and I love it. It's super oversized and comfy, and I feel like I can just wear this with some leggings and go to class when I don't feel like trying, and that's every day. So I'm probably gonna wear this every day. So the next store that I went to was Walmart. I actually found this and I am so happy. It is also, again, it goes with the plush fluffy half zip pullover trend. So I got this blue fluffy pullover, and this was only $10. So I had to pick it up. Again, I think that this is perfect for when I'm just feeling lazy and I can just wear this with some leggings or some sweatpants and just be out the door and I'm warm, and yeah. So that was it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little winter try on haul. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Just be on the lookout for more videos from me because I'm going to be filming like crazy and I'm so excited to be back on YouTube. Make sure to leave a comment down below of your favorite item or your favorite store, because I'm trying to look for more stores to shop at because I literally only shop at Brandy, Melville, and Hollister and Urban Outfitters. So I need to, switch it up. I love you guys and I'll see you in my next video.